ekene m nke onye chinya zelu igbo na-ekwu we na-asị na agbụsị na-agba mmadụ ọkwa na trouser ka ọ nọ maka na oke nọ n'ụlọ gwara oke nọ n'ọfịa na azụ dị na ngịga dị n'ụlọ oke nọ n'ọfịa ji wee bata picture in Nenena is the returning of Ojuzo Kalu from the prison. Now the youth are celebrating him for what? As a freedom fighter or as what? There's somebody during a prison now convincing them they can drop up Biafra agitation. The freedom of the Igbos. There's somebody one of the grandfathers in Abia State. Now he's returning. Somebody encouraging Ruga. Sina Ruga don't worry for the judging. Somebody now support the present government. I don't need me when I powerful. Now that now support to betray by locking him up. Now we need to get the youth to put up. Let me tell you, I want to want to with you. So most problems, most so why don't you make why when I cause ya? Opposing na this man, na the youth from Abia State and they celebrate ya. Let's say the truth. Opposing. But look at what is happening. Go to Abia State today. Abia State is the worst since the history of the southern part of Nigeria. From this tunnel to this tunnel, Abia can nothing is moving. Abia is one of the best place I'm in Nigeria in anything that concerning clothing and textiles. But look at Abia today. The government is too poor, too weak. The youth to but they celebrate somebody that is not doing anything. What does it take Ojuzo Kalu to call the governor to order? Or grandfather call Abia State. But look at what the youths are doing. Tomorrow na some 9 are powerful this and that. Look at only over on Igbo. Ndana umu poison about the Habron Igbo. Kamorpo Ibai name or Mother by Nature. Kamorpo Ibai name, Mother by Nature. Look at those who are in Agagari for a drop of business fan name. They celebrate somebody that has not worked for the welfare of the Igbos, welfare of the Abia State. Somebody that has been supporting the Northerners and their bad government. Can the youth in the Abia State celebrate somebody that returned? Make it one betray who they celebrate. It's alright. I am no negini anya. Jishikwanike continue celebrating him. Kono kano na phone no. Okay, but abosia obido be de egbu nya nka nke kana mu ni ma go ka ya pata de enu ahwa nya gwa unu jaja. Unu woti ba de ku. How can you be celebrating such a man? On here can dausa juwe na aka anyị mma iwo uwe ọnụ ndausa ka onye a na-abata anyị eji okwute turicha mote mana nke ndị be anyị so sentiment and they celebrate somebody ekwesịrị celebrate. It's alright. Ndị Abịa continue na okwu ụzọ unu dị na ekwu ụzọ unu dị na ekabụ unu dị continue unu ka ọ dị